Do you find any issues while using Axdif? Our customer support is ready to assist you. Firstly, log into your Axdif account. Then, your screen will show the dashboard. Click the chatting bubble on the right bottom of the screen. The chatting window has appeared. Now you can have a live chat with our support team. In this section, you can ask about the issues that you meet with Axdif. You can consult for any topics. For example, submission updates, exceptional attendance cancellation, tasks, or projects things. Our representative team is here to assist and solve your problems. Get our free assistance and enjoy our app. Connect, engage, experience with Axdif.